Hey guys, in this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can download Call of Duty Warzone for free on your computer. So let's get straight into it, and we're first going to launch up the Steam application. Now if you don't already have Steam installed onto your computer, then you'll need to go ahead and install this now. But providing you already have Steam installed, then all we need to do is come over to this search box in the right hand side here and just search for Call of Duty and then come over to this first search result here. Now this is totally free to download, and as you can see down here, this supports all of the Call of Duty games plus the Call of Duty Warzone. So we're just going to scroll down this section here and you should have a button to add this to your library. Now I already have this within my library, so I won't have this option available. But you just need to go ahead and select Add to Library. Once you've added Call of Duty to your Steam library, we just need to come over to Library in the top here, and then you need to locate Call of Duty from this list of games. All we simply need to do is right-click on Call of Duty and then come over to Install. Now once again, I already have this installed on my PC, so this option won't be available for me, but you'll need to go ahead and wait for the game to finish installing. Once Call of Duty has finished installing, we're going to right click on it and select Play. Now what you'll see is when we launch up the Call of Duty game, there'll be no option to play Warzone, and that's because we need to install the Warzone add-on. And to do that, we just need to come over to Settings in the top here, come over to Manage Files, and then you'll need to select the Call of Duty Warzone add-on and install that now to your computer. And it's as simple as that. Once the Warzone pack has finished installing, you'll now be able to play Call of Duty Warzone absolutely for free on your computer. If this video did help you, then please consider dropping a like and subscribing. Until next time.